Hi, this is Tanudeep Singh and you're watching Star Edu. Today's video is going to be about Friendship's Day. So today we are going to be making DIY cards and 2-ingredient brownies.
Take a moment to like, share and subscribe. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook.
For the card, you're going to be needing some colored paper, glue, a pair of scissors and a pencil. So first up, you're going to be needing an A4 size sheet which I've cut a chunk out of to get this narrow rectangle, and I've also cut different types of circles in 3 shapes, and I've used a tape as a stencil. So this is one circle, the inner one, the outer one, and the edge of the tape I marked it with a marker and then made it as a stamp. So that's about it. Now you're going to fold your card. So this is how much you need at the bottom, and now press it. Alright, and then fold the other half. Like this. So this should be your ratio. Now with the help of a plate, a quarter plate, I'm going to be drawing a marking here. Alright, so that's done, and now let's get cutting. Okay, so this is done. Just make sure that your edges are properly folded and are overlapping each other. Okay, so now that this is done, we're going to be sticking the eyes. So first we're going to take the biggest circle, then the second biggest circle, and the black one finally. So this is going to be your sequence. Alright, so this is done. What I've done is I've overlapped my circles, and so my eyes look almost merging together. Now for the teeth, what I've done is I've taken this as the stencil, and I drew a stencil cut out here. You can see the pencil, and then I've cut teeth. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be sticking this underneath my mouth. Alright, so it's going to look something like this. So let's get going. So the base of my card is now ready. You could now decorate it with like a bow tie here, which I'm going to do. Additionally, you can also add like a small cap here, and your card is now ready. You can write your message for your friend and then send it. Alright, so for the second card, I've taken a sheet and folded into half. You can honestly make any size of card that you'd like or any shape. So what I've done is I've chosen a longer one, and I've drawn a line here, and I'm going to cut this now. Alright, so this is done. I have a card which looks something like this with a cutout, and the reason that I've done is I'm going to be putting a contrasting sheet inside like this. Okay, so let's get sticking. Alright, now when this part is done, you're going to be making several lines like these and make it a little less than half of your card. Alright, so we're halfway through. You've made these lines here, and now what you're going to do is make small hearts. If you don't want to make hearts, you could also make stars and place them on different levels. So I'm going to show you 2 and then we are going to continue with the rest. Alright, so that's how it's going to look like. So I'm now making more. Okay, so we're almost done. I've made the hearts here, and this is where you're going to write your best friend's name. I've written my mom's name. She's Sonia, and she truly is my best friend. So she also happens to be the founder of Star Edu and the institute where we are coaching for spoken English, communication skills, personality development and grooming. Also, we're taking tuitions for all subjects. Okay, so now that this is done, I'm going to now quickly write Happy Friendship Day here, and our card is going to be complete with a small and cute message for your best friend. Alright, so we're done, and this is our card. You can write your message in here. I'm not going to show you my message, but that's a secret. So this is one card that we've made, and this is the other. So you could choose and send these to your friends on this Friendship Day. Enjoy your Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Also, don't forget to send me pictures on my Instagram of the cards that you've made, and I would be reposting the best ones on our feed. Alrighty. So for my 2 ingredients Silk Brownies, we need DairyMilk Silk and 2 eggs. So 2 chocolate bars and 2 eggs. So what we're going to be doing first is we're going to be separating the egg yolk and the egg white. So after separating the egg yolk, this is my egg yolk, I've whisked my egg white and now it has become all fluffy. So these are 2 egg whites, 2 egg yolks. So this is my melted chocolate, and I'm going to be adding my egg yolk into this melted chocolate and then mix it. Okay, so this is what my mixture looks like, and now I'm going to be adding in my whisked egg whites into this by folding method. So our mixture is done. Now what we're going to do is grease this pan with oil, or you could also use parchment paper to line this. Now that this part is done, I have lined it, poured my mixture into this, and now I'm going to be topping it up with chopped walnuts. Well, this is totally optional. I love walnuts in my brownies, that's why I'm putting these. You could also put chocolate shavings or chocolate chips. So this is done. I'm going to transfer this into a plate and then cut them into pieces. I'm so sorry, I couldn't wait to eat these. So the texture of these brownies is quite similar to that of the Cadbury Silk, quite obviously. So do try this at home and let me know how it turned out for you. A quick tip, if you drizzle chocolate sauce over it, it tastes absolutely delicious. So I'm going to drizzle some on mine, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!